Hello and welcome to another video where we will reveal how to make a whopping $1,000 per day using a little known strategy with Google News. And if you want more useful ideas and techniques like these, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Let's begin. Before we go into the mysteries, let me explain what Google News is. Google News functions as a personal news butler, bringing you the most recent news from across the world without the obnoxious bow tie. It gathers news headlines from many sources and neatly puts them in a single platform, eliminating the need to scavenge through multiple websites like a hungry raccoon. In addition, it functions as a psychic genie, predicting what you want to read based on your reading history and personal tastes. It's like having a virtual best friend who understands what's going on and keeps you engaged and informed without the uncomfortable small conversation. Google News is a free news aggregator that aggregates content from hundreds of sources worldwide. It's a platform that is continually updated with the most recent news, making it an ideal resource for anybody who wants to keep up with current events. Most people are unaware that Google News can be utilized to generate money. Now, let's go into the approach itself. Focusing on particular themes is the secret to earning $1,000 per day with Google News. Instead of covering broad themes such as politics or sports, you should target narrow niches with high search traffic but low competition. This will boost your rankings in Google search results, resulting in more visitors and eventually more money. A specialized topic is CBD oil benefits, which has a high search volume but relatively low competition. You could drive a lot of traffic to your website or blog by developing content around this issue. You can then monetize that traffic by using advertisements or affiliate marketing. Another example of a niche topic is the best dog breeds for apartment living. This is a subject that numerous individuals are curious about, but there are not many websites or blogs addressing it. You can position yourself as an expert and get a lot of visitors by writing material on this issue. Veganism and keto diet are both popular nutritional habits, and mixing the two has grown in popularity. You can drive a lot of attention to your website or blog by developing content centered on vegan keto diet recipes. You can then monetize that traffic by promoting vegan keto items through affiliate marketing or by running advertising for relevant products or services. Raising hens in your backyard has grown in popularity in recent years as organic and farm-to-table meals have grown in favor. However, many individuals are unaware of how to construct a chicken coop. You can get a lot of traffic to your website or blog by posting material on DIY backyard chicken coops. You can then monetize that traffic by selling chicken coop blueprints or by advertising poultry feed, supplies, and accessories through affiliate marketing. Japan is a popular tourist destination, but it can be costly. You could attract a lot of attention to your website or blog by writing material about cheap travel in Japan. You can afterwards monetize that traffic through affiliate marketing by offering low-cost travel options like lodging, transportation, and tour guides. Many individuals want to produce their own food but have no idea where to begin. You can get a lot of attention to your website or blog by writing material about organic vegetable farming. You can then monetize that traffic by selling gardening materials, organic seeds, and related items, or by advertising garden products through affiliate marketing. Meditation has grown in popularity as a method of reducing stress and improving mental health. You could attract a lot of traffic to your website or blog by posting material on meditation for stress treatment. You can then monetize that traffic by advertising meditation items through affiliate marketing or by selling your own meditation courses or products. Sustainable fashion has grown in popularity as more people become conscious of the environmental impact of quick fashion. You can drive a lot of attention to your website or blog by providing material about sustainable fashion. You can then monetize that traffic by advertising sustainable fashion businesses or selling your own sustainable fashion items via affiliate marketing. You can also earn money by promoting eco-friendly fashion items such as recycled jewelry or eco-friendly shoes through affiliate marketing or sponsored articles. The objective is to add value to your readers' lives. Your material should be educational, entertaining, and useful. You should also include keywords related to your niche issue to help you rank better in search results. You can also utilize social media to market your content and increase visitors to your website or blog. Here are a few pointers to help you get the most out of Google News and optimize your earnings. Google Trends is a free tool for identifying new trends in your industry. You could develop content that is topical and relevant to your audience by keeping an eye on popular subjects. You can also use Google Trends to examine how popular a specific search phrase has been over time, which can assist you in identifying evergreen themes in which people are continually interested. One of the most crucial aspects of your material is the title. It's the first thing people see when they come across your content, and it can be the difference between them clicking through to read more or going on to something else. Make sure your headlines are eye-catching, informative, and contain important keywords. Avoid clickbait and deceptive headlines which can harm your credibility and impair your SEO. Images, videos, and infographics can help make your material more interesting and shareable. People are more inclined to engage with material that incorporates multimedia features, according to studies, and multimedia can assist your search engine rankings. Make sure that any multimedia you include is related to your content and offers value. When it comes to growing an audience and making money with Google News, consistency is essential. Maintain a steady schedule and provide fresh material on a regular basis. This will assist you in gaining a devoted following and keeping your audience interested. Backlinks are links to your content from other websites. They can assist you in improving your search engine rankings and driving more visitors to your website. Ask other websites in your niche whether they would be willing to link your material. Backlinks can also be built by generating high-quality content that people naturally want to connect to. Using a spreadsheet or project management application to keep track of your content ideas, keyword research, and other vital information will help you stay organized and guarantee that you're regularly producing high-quality content. To prevent being overloaded, schedule time for research, writing, editing, and promotion, and remain on top of deadlines. There are a few more things to keep in mind when using Google News to make money. As previously stated, Google News is continually evolving. As a result, keeping up with the newest news, trends, and upgrades is critical. Staying current allows you to provide timely and relevant material, which will drive more traffic to your website or blog. It's also critical to keep an eye on changes in Google's algorithm, as they might have an impact on your website's search rankings. While advertisements and affiliate marketing are common ways to make money from your website or blog, you should also consider alternative possibilities. You could, for example, supply sponsored material, sell your own products, or provide consultancy services. You can improve your earnings and lessen your dependency on a single source by diversifying your income streams. High-quality content is essential for attracting and maintaining readers. Your material should be educational, entertaining, and useful. It's preferable to have a few high-quality pieces of information rather than numerous low-quality ones. Include relevant keywords, photos, and videos to improve your material and make it more appealing to your target audience. Long-term success requires you to interact with your audience and create a community around your material. Through social media or forums, encourage feedback, reply to comments, and foster a feeling of community. You can boost traffic, engagement, and position yourself as an expert in your field by cultivating a dedicated following. It takes time and work to build a lucrative internet business. Do not anticipate instant success. Instead, be patient and persistent when it comes to developing high-quality content, advertising your website, and cultivating a community. You can reach your objectives and reap the benefits of a successful internet company with hard work and devotion. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video to be beneficial and interesting. Remember that generating $1,000 per day using Google News cannot be achieved immediately. To understand and practice the methods we shared with you, you must be dedicated, hardworking, and willing. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas on how to expand your online presence and turn your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.